Yeah, today in this practical we are doing SOP7. In SOP7, okay, we will learn the concept of client-side image mapping. So here we have to use the coding of client-side image mapping. What the question says, okay, navigation on an image map using client-side image mapping. So we have to put okay some navigation and we have to use the coding of client-side image mapping by using HTML5 commands. Now create a web page named imagemap.html. So the web page name should be image.html with an inserted image having JPG, PNG or GIF extension. So any one of the image you have to take either JPG, PNG or GIF. In this experiment I am using okay JPEG image. Now we have to create three different shapes like rectangle, circle and polygon which do not overlap. So in this client-side image mapping I am using three shapes: rectangle, circle and polygon, now which do not overlap. That means where I am creating a rectangle, in the same place I don't have to create a circle. If I am creating okay a circle in the place of rectangle, so it will overlap. So the condition of the question is which do not overlap. So we have to make this all these three different shape in three different places. Note the coordinate making use of MS Paint, GIMP, Irfan View, Pinta, any one of the software that is available in the computer. So we have to note down the coordinate from that particular software. I have already noted down the coordinates. Each shape should be mapped or navigate with a different URL that should navigate to a local web page. Now whichever shape I am making it has to have a hyperlink to a local web page. So when I click on circle, it should go to a local web page. When I click on rectangle, again it will go to a local web page. Same goes to polygon. So every shape should be mapped or navigate with a different URL. So every shape should have a hyperlink. Now this is the question. Okay, again I am repeating. Navigation on an image map using client-side image mapping in a web page using HTML5. Create a web page named image.html with an inserted image map having JPG, PNG or GIF extension. Create three different shapes like rectangle, circle and polygon which do not overlap. Note the coordinates making use of MS Paint, GIMP, Irfan View, Pinta. Each shape should be mapped or navigate with a different URL that should navigate to a local web page. Now we'll see the output, how it looks like. Three shapes are there. The first you can see here, it's rectangle where I have kept my cursor. This is the rectangle where I have kept my cursor. This is circle. Here I have again kept my cursor, and this is polygon. You had seen okay all these shapes are in three different pages and all the shapes have a URL that is hyperlink. So these are the three shapes, okay, rectangle, circle and polygon. Now let's see how it has been created. Title, yeah, doc tab HTML, it indicates I am writing HTML5 ka coding. From HTML tag, okay, the HTML coding starts. Head controls the complete HTML tag. Title, client-side image mapping. When you open a web browser, over there at the title, client-side image mapping will be seen. Title tag closed, head closed. Now body tag open. Here in H1 that is the largest possible heading size. In the center what I have written, client-side image mapping, that you will see in the output. Here client-side image mapping has been written okay in the H1. I am just highlighting for you. Client-side image mapping, H1 open, H1 tag close. Now here I am putting okay any image that is available on my computer. The name of the image is download.jpg and I have kept okay height and width, that is 1000 by 1000. You can keep any height and width. Now here the main coding is there for client-side image mapping. Here the actual coding of client-side image starts. Use map is equal to hash image map. Now the image map what I have written, the same has to be map name. Map name also has to be image map. Area shape is equal to rect. Now first I am making a rectangle. Okay, the attribute of rectangle is rect, R-E-C-T, and the coordinates are, since the rectangle has 4 sides, so 4 coordinate I have to write 44, 29, 244, H1. This I have took from Paint. I have to note down the coordinates from Paint, and every shape has to be linked with a URL, that is a hyperlink. So I am giving a hyperlink reference, that is the page.html. Same, I am creating a circle. The attribute of the circle is circ, CIRC, and the coordinate is 380, 271 and 60. Since circle has a 3 sides, so 3 coordinates will be written, and it has to be linked to a local web page that I have created by the name page1.html. Now area shape is equal to polygon. The attribute of polygon is poly, and polygon has 10 sides, so 10 coordinates I have written: 162, 279, 81, 373, 191, 431, 168, 368, 245, 388. Since polygon has a 10 sides, so 10 coordinate has been written, and it has to be linked to a local web page. So I have written hyperlink reference, that is page2.html. map tag was open, map tag close, body tag was open, body tag close, HTML tag open, HTML tag close. Now here in this experiment we have learned the concept of client-side image mapping, and here your actual coding starts from here to here. This you have to remember, and you have to understand the concept. So this is about client-side image mapping. If you have any query, you can always ask me. Thank you.